Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. The issue of paternity is a very interesting one that comes across because there's a direct interplay, of course, between paternity and custody and parenting time and child support. So sometimes when the paternity isn't established, the court will order the parties to engage in appropriate DNA testing so that they can figure it out. Now, some fathers, they refuse. They refuse because they think that refusal will result in them not having to pay child support because the paternity will never be determined. Well, I want to tell you guys that it's not necessarily how it works. The court will enter an order requiring you to present yourself at a particular court-recognized lab so that they can do the swabs and take the appropriate DNA testing. If you refuse, if you don't go, if you default on the court's order, a judgment determining paternity could be entered by default. And support can begin by default. And if you let that go and you don't challenge it and you don't do what you got to do, you may find that you are involved in a situation where you have the burden of paying child support for 18 years or longer when the child may not have even been yours to begin with. So ultimately, you may not like the situation. You may not have wanted the pregnancy. You may not be happy with what was decided and how it went down. However, let's not compound that problem by making it worse. You're in that situation, cooperate, take the appropriate test. Maybe you'll be ruled out of paternity. And if you are ruled in, then of course you have to, take the appropriate measures and make the necessary moves. If you have any questions about that, reach out. And of course, we'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like and share.